Welcome to CarCraft, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the truck market, the 2025 Toyota Stout. Toyota is making waves with the revival of this classic nameplate, and we're here to unpack all the details you need to know. Exterior design. The 2025 Toyota Stout is a visual treat, striking the perfect balance between ruggedness and sophistication. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and chiseled lines give it a contemporary look, while the slightly smaller proportions compared to the Tacoma make it ideal for urban environments. With a high ground clearance and muscular fender flares, the Stout isn't just about looks, it's ready for adventure. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 Stout impresses with its thoughtful design and advanced tech. The cabin is spacious for a compact truck, offering comfortable seating for 5 and ample storage options. The dashboard features a large, high-resolution touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the Stout comes with 2 engine options. The base model features a fuel-efficient 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, while higher trims offer a hybrid powertrain, a clear nod to Toyota's commitment to sustainability. Both options deliver a smooth and capable performance, with enough power to handle light towing and off-road adventures. The return of an icon. First introduced in the 1960s, the Toyota Stout made its mark as a dependable and versatile compact truck. Fast forward to 2025, and the Stout is back, blending its historic practicality with modern-day innovation. This new model is Toyota's response to the growing demand for compact pickups, aiming to fill the gap between sedans and full-size trucks. Best. For the tech-savvy, the Stout also includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These features make it not only a capable workhorse but also a safe and reliable family vehicle. Pricing and competition. Toyota aims to make the 2025 Stout an accessible option in the growing compact pickup market. With an expected starting price around $25,000, it undercuts many competitors like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz. However, its reliability, hybrid option, and iconic branding give it a significant edge. Stay tuned to CarCraft for more updates on the latest automotive releases, and don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of car news and reviews.